If you have been selling online before starting your Shopify store and you've got customers list, for example, from eBay, Amazon, or other platform, it's very easy to import this data to your Shopify store. So simply go to customers on the left and import customers. And here you can simply add your CSV file or drop it here and then import customers and simply follow the directions as we did with importing our subscribers and fill in the details that you need in order to import all the customers list. You can also add customers one by one manually. Simply use this button, Add Customer, to add the data manually. So this will take longer, but if you need only add one or two customers, this definitely is easier to do it this way.